I'm not really a morning person, but breakfast is something that I really look forward to. Today I'm going to share with you the recipe of onion rava dosa, which happens to be one of my favorite breakfasts. Let's get started. First and foremost, I'm going to take a bowl and in it I'm going to add suji, which is also called as semolina, some rice flour and some maida. Once all the three flours are in, I'm going to add some buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, you could easily skip this. To this, some salt. So a whisk in a hand and a jug of water in the other. I'm going to make this batter. Give it a good whisk. So the consistency of this needs to be like buttermilk. It's not the way our regular dosa batter is. ये काफी पतला होता है. Now, to enhance its flavors, I'm going to give it a good tadka. So I'm going to take some oil. I need some mustard, jeera, and of course some curry leaves. Once this splutters, I'm going to pour it in the batter. I'm going to give it a quick stir. As you can see, the longer we wait, the thicker it gets. I'm going to add a little bit more water. Give it a stir and let this rest for easily 25 to 30 minutes. Alright, so it's been half an hour. Suji ne pani absorb kar liya hai, so it has bloomed. Everything has settled at the bottom. I'm going to give it a stir. As you can see, the flours have absorbed the moisture and this has become a nice, lovely batter. Now, because this is onion rava dosa, some finely chopped onions, some chopped coriander, and some green chilies. Give this a good stir and you're ready to make crispy dosas. With a lot of South Indian foods, we think there will be a lot of grinding and overnight fermenting required. That's really not the case with this one. So I have a pan here which is on high heat. I've done it on high heat because this is supposed to be crispy. An onion rava dosa, you never have it soggy. This is supposed to be crispy. So whenever you make this dosa, ensure that the tawa is really hot. Also, if you see a gap, just fill it up. Some oil on the sides. So it took approximately 1.5–2 minutes to cook from one side and then I've flipped it and now I'm cooking from the other side. If you pour a batter which is very thin, then you might not even need to cook it from the next side. So my breakfast is ready and I can't wait to dig in.